Whoa! Have you ever had an idea and you just wish you could snap your fingers and just have it appear? Well, let me tell you, you can with Midjourney. Stick around and I will show you how. This thing will blow your mind, and it's free. Midjourney is an AI that creates brand new images based on whatever you feed it. You can prompt it entirely with text by just writing samurai painting in the style of Edward Manet, or you could say SpongeBob realistic render dancing in a jazz club. You can prompt it with text and images like I did in the intro, or you could take two images and mash them together. Imagine a picture of your pet mashed together with a famous monument. You can literally mash any two things together. And now I will show you how to use Midjourney. But before I do, if you like this video so far, I invite you to smash that subscribe button and destroy that like button. That's how you tell YouTube that this is great content. To use Midjourney, simply sign into their website. You'll need a Discord account to make use of it. Once you're in the Discord channel, you can start creating prompts in any of these newbies rooms. To prompt an image, just write /imagine and start writing your prompt. From here, just have fun and experiment. And then if you don't get the result that you want, you can just add more text in the prompt to sort of spice it up. Each time you do a prompt, you will get 4 variations, and then you can upscale the one that you like. Just click U1 for this one, 2, 3, 4, and so forth. If you want to include an image in your prompt, simply find an image on the net and then right-click copy image address, then paste it at the beginning of your prompt. And then you will need to invoke the image in your prompt. For example, just write man in style of Terminator. And if you want to mash 2 images together, all you have to do is just link the main image first, and then you link the second image. You can also just upload any image that you have directly to the Midjourney bot, and then copy image address from there. Finally, here's the best part of the video, 6 tips of how I like to use Midjourney. But before I get into that, here's a word from this video's sponsor, Pirate Tea. I'm actually a proud member of the Pirate Tea team. I've been working with them since the beginning, before they even shipped the product. So by supporting Pirate Tea, you actually support this channel directly. Pirate Tea is not just a drink, it's a natural energy drink, based purely on herbs that improve the brain function, focus, lift your mood, and increase your testosterone to a natural level. It's the ultimate natural booster. It will gradually energize you without causing a caffeine crash like those other energy drinks. Plus, it's delicious and it's a better choice than taking a bunch of supplements. Don't miss out on all the benefits. Use the code JOHNBEAR at checkout to get 20% off of your purchase with Pirate Tea. Trust me, you're not gonna regret trying Pirate Tea. Click the link below and order now. And now for my 6 tips on how to use Midjourney effectively. Tip number 1, if you want to control your prompts with more accuracy without blending everything together in a soup, I recommend using this template right here. By filling in the blanks of this template, you clearly give Midjourney exactly what it needs to know instead of just some raw text input. Tip number 2, it's very hard to make Midjourney create 2 separate characters, and often it blends them together. Just make sure you re-roll a lot, clicking this button right here. Number 3, if you want to make photorealistic things, I find that it really helps to put in things in the prompt that indicates high level of detail, intricate detail, Ultra HD, photography, cinematic lighting. If you don't include style prompts, then your image can be any random style. It could be an oil painting, it could be CG. Tip number 4, include camera perspective. Write in the prompt, for example, perspective of GoPro. Perspective of a drone. So for example, if you write Superman taking a GoPro selfie, you'll get something like this. And one of my favorite prompts is candid photo. This basically means that the subject is not looking straight back at you, which actually a lot of the Midjourney generations generally do by default. So when you write candid photo, instead the subject will be doing something else and you're kind of spying on them. Candid photo of Batman waiting for the bus. Candid photo of 3 Batmen having breakfast. Why not? Candid photo of Batman as a 7-year-old playing a video game in the 70s. Tip number 5, if you like anime, Midjourney does anime. All you have to do is write --niji at the end of your prompt and it will turn it into anime. Honestly, this thing is crazy. And even if you don't like anime, I suggest you try using Niji because it's way better than the regular Midjourney at creating action poses. For example, here's an elf ranger in the regular Midjourney, and here's elf ranger in Niji mode. Final tip, tip number 6. You can change the aspect ratio of your images by writing at the end of the prompt --AR space 3:2, for example. This will give you an image that's 3:2 rather than the default, which is 1:1, like a square box. Definitely make sure you play around with the aspect ratio because I found that the same prompt comes out entirely different in a different aspect ratio. So for example, 3:2 tends to favor more action poses, whereas 2:3 is more like portrait mode. All right, this is the end of the video. I'm not affiliated with Midjourney. I'm just a big fan. I like using it. I've been using it a lot. If you like this video, check out this other video that I made. Okay, bye.